One of the major advantages of glass reinforced gypsum, better known as GRG, over alternatives, is its ability to be quickly and easily manufactured off-site within a factory setting by small teams. The fiberglass layers allow the casting of larger, thinner and lighter GRG components, reducing on-site jointing and speeding up the installation process. The products can be dried, assembled and shipped to your site in a near-complete form, simply requiring the final fixing and painting to achieve a high-quality professional look. The choice of GRG provides a wealth of benefits, from off-site manufacture, less traffic and disruption to the site, safer working practices, and lower labor and shipping costs.